Okay, I had to go inside and clean off the lens. It seemed I got some rain on the lens, so obviously those videos, I'm not sure when there was all the water got on the lens, probably before I put the box over my head here. I don't know, it's not supposed to. Oh, that was a nice one. Oh, I don't know if I caught it or not. Yeah, it must have happened when it was raining really good. Because it was raining really good. Like I say, it's off to the side of us. It's not really. I might be able to get some good video of it, but I guess time will tell. Whoa! I hope that shows up. That was wild. That was worth it all right there if that shows up.